Okay, this is Access Skill 4.12. You may be saying, hey, I thought this was Access. Why do I see an Excel spreadsheet open? Well, this lesson here is all about importing data from Excel into your Access database. So I have a little Excel spreadsheet here, football players and their team and their position, and a ranking on there. If I created this spreadsheet and then I decide that I want this spreadsheet into a database table so I can do some more powerful analysis and break down this spreadsheet a little more, or use it in a query, or use it to link up with other database tables, whatever it is, what I can do is I can import this Excel spreadsheet directly into a table in my Access database. So I have this saved. I'm going to close it now so you could see what it looked like. I'm going to go over to my database I have here. I'm going to click on this External Data tab. And here I have a choice. There's a lot of different things I could import from. What I'm going to do is import from Excel. I can import from another Access database too. I'm going to import from Excel. So I click Excel and it starts walking me through what I'm doing here. So it says the first thing I want to do is select the source. I'm going to click the Browse button and find the database that I just created, which was called FF right there. Open that up and come on, it's gonna open that up. Then I have some options here that I can select. Import the source data into a new table in the current database. That's what I'm gonna do. If I already had a table with the fields that I wanted in it, I could append a copy of the records to the table. I don't have that, so I won't select that. And I can also link to the data source by creating a link table. And what that means is, not am I just putting the data in from that spreadsheet into my Access database. I'm actually using that spreadsheet to I'm actually connecting Access back to that spreadsheet. So if that spreadsheet ever changes, the data in Access will change too, which is kind of cool if you have a dynamic spreadsheet that you're working with. In this case, everything's static. I'm going to keep it as it is and leave it on import the source data into a new table. So I hit OK. It's going to be reading my spreadsheet. It takes a little while, probably faster on your computer when you're not recording everything that you're doing. I'll give that a moment. There's some different options we'll select after this. We can format the various fields to match what we want them to be in Access. They're usually by default select them for you. So you can see here I have it. I can select my different sheets. You can see there's my data. Just to kind of confirm, I hit next. I could choose a different worksheet if I had a different one. Here I can say the first row contains column headings. It does. So there you can see these are going to be the names of my fields: player, original rank, team, position. Hit next. This is where we talk about a primary key. I could choose my own primary key. I could have that ID be a primary key, which is actually a pretty good primary key in this case. But I'm going to let Access add one for me. We'll just let Access handle the keys there for us. Hit next. And then the table, I give it a table name. We'll just call it FF also. And I can hit Finish. And it'll do all that processing. I could save these steps if it was something I was going to do more than once. I'm not going to. I'm going to hit Close. And now I have this FF table here in my library catalog. Probably not the best database to put it in, but I was just showing you as an example. If I open that up, you can see there's all my data. Just for fun, in the last little bit we have here, I can create a query based on that, where we can return player and team, maybe even original rank. Oh, come on, original rank, and we'll just say we'll prompt for the team and run that. Let's take a look. The prompt's not working, but you can see how that works there. That is it for 4.12. Your code word is key, K-E-Y.